Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a hair product review. I haven't done this in a while, quite a while on this channel, but you know, here it is now. I'm doing it now. I'm switching things up with this channel. It is what it is. That's just how it's gonna be. Okay, so yeah, this channel is monetized. Why not just go ahead and think of any other ideas that I have that I want to do? Go ahead and do them, because baby, you're gonna be seeing a heck of a lot more of me because I got some new hair products in. Okay, more than one kind. Yeah, but right now I'm going to do a review on the OGX Bond Protein Repair Shampoo and Conditioner, honey. So let's get to the video. This is the new Bond Protein Repair Shampoo, okay? This is like, I don't know, it's like a protein treatment, except it's shampoo and conditioner. You know how the Alpha G protein treatment is, baby? That's my baby. That's my baby. It gets my natural hair right. And no, I'm not talking about this. This is a wig. If y'all don't know, y'all know. Come on now. This be real. This be real. But my hair, my natural hair, I chopped my hair again, yet again. It was like down here, down there. Yeah, it was to the point like I couldn't even put it all the way down because, you know, couldn't reach it. It was that long and I chopped it. Yes, I did. But anyway, I tried this Bond Protein Shampoo. It says it targets damaged areas of the hair for effective bonding repair without the weight. It is sulfate free. It's a 13-ounce bottle. And let me tell you, this shampoo really did clean my hair really, really good. Like, I usually use a good amount of shampoo anyway, like more than the average person, but I'm not an average person. And my hair was really, really dirty because I had took out my twists, my hair twists. I took those out and went ahead and washed my hair. And let me tell you, this did not strip my hair at all. You know how some products say that it doesn't have sulfates in it, but when you wash your hair and you get done washing your hair, shampoo in it, your hair feels stripped AF. Like, you know, they lied up in there. This one didn't. Okay, it didn't strip nothing. It stripped the dirt. Okay, it stripped all that it needed to strip. My hair did not feel dried out. Okay, it didn't feel like that. It didn't feel like that. It didn't feel crazy, but it really did do a good cleansing on my hair. My hair felt good. My scalp felt good. And that's about all I could say about this. As far as like strength, because you know, it's a bond treatment shampoo. As far as strength, I did feel strength. Like, it is proteins, and my hair was detangling really, really well, which is kind of odd because it's a shampoo, but my hair was detangling afterwards, and I like that. So I will give this shampoo, I would have to give it a 10 out of 10 because it says what it does. My hair did feel stronger, it did feel healthier, and it was just easy to manage, even though it's a shampoo. So I give it a 10 out of 10 for that. Next, baby, is the conditioner. I use a good amount of this. I did because, hello, natural hair, hello. This is not gonna last. I might get 2 more uses out of this, and I'm just being real. This right here, I like it because it is a water-based conditioner, and my hair likes water-based conditioners. My hair used to didn't, but then again, I shaved my hair so many times. My hair really liked this conditioner. As far as like detangling my hair, like this was a breeze for that. It didn't take me all day to detangle my hair, and I really, really like that because some conditioners is a hit and miss with me. And for this to work, because, you know, you hear all this stuff about OGX, the controversy and whatnot. Well, this is working pretty good for me, honey. I ain't had no problems with it. Like, I really like this conditioner. This would be great as a daily use conditioner. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. It's a protein, so you really can't use it every day. It didn't say you can, but it gives that, you know. So yeah, my hair didn't feel dried out using this conditioner, and I thoroughly love that. Okay, so yeah, I rate this conditioner a 9.5 out of 10. I think it could have added more value as a bonding treatment conditioner. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like my hair could have also felt stronger using this because this is a conditioner. It gets to stay in my hair longer, you know what I'm saying? But it's a conditioner. Like, what can I say? It's a conditioner. So I give it a, you know what? I'm gonna give it a 9.8 out of 10. But other than that, I'm definitely gonna use these products again because let's be real. Using my protein treatment, and you know, look at my videos, honey, that's like 5 hours doing that. I don't want to have to keep wasting hours
doing a protein treatment. I don't want to keep going through that process. Yes, I probably do that once a month, but what if I need to use it or want to use it every 2 weeks? You know, these two will come in handy, and they're affordable, okay? Very affordable. They have some other products too, but I only got the shampoo and the conditioner. That was all that was sent to me. This is not a sponsored video, okay? But this was sent to me, and yeah, I really like it. Together, it works. I like it, and I will be using it again, okay? So I will link both of these products down in the description box below if you're interested, okay? So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really do appreciate y'all for watching. And until y'all see me again in my next video, and you will, baby, you will. Bye.